right, check this out. A subscriber made me a custom putter, and it's badass. Check this out. I met Eric Wells on my Facebook group. I started a group to help people answer questions, show off their projects. And he posted a picture of this putter, and I was absolutely blown away. It looked like gold was dripping down this putter. And we started chatting, and he sent me one. And it is so cool. It's actually engraved on the bottom with my logo. They make a kit. So it comes with the shaft, it comes with the grip, it comes with the putter head, and it's personalized. And I get to finish it however I want. So I'm gonna stare at it for a little while. I'll try to tell you how they made it. He sent me some clips of the process, and it's cool. There's a machine, it's called the EDM, and I don't, electrical something. I should have prepared. You would think I would have prepared some notes before I started battling, but I did not. So EDM, it is a machine that has a wire, it's hair thin, and a current passes through it. He said it's the opposite of welding. So that wire is able to make really intricate cuts like you see on my putter. And then those two pieces are then pressed together to make it look just like you see it. So I'm gonna stare at it for a while, see what we're gonna do. But thank you, Eric. Thank you, Scott. Technical Precision Inc. for hooking me up. So let's see what's up. It's the electrical discharge machine. That's really freaking funny. Stay in school, kids. EDM, electrical discharge machine. I even wrote it down, and I didn't bring it. I had no idea. I get to finish this however I want. I really want this to shine, so I'm going to polish that, and then there's a lot of great real estate down here to maybe spray some patterns into using maybe my vinyl cutter and my sandblaster. But yeah, I'm gonna shine this up and see what comes together, and then I'll show you what I ended up with at the end. But I like that, just feels like gold dripping down, man. Like money. I love this. Okay, so let me get started. Let me put on a little vinyl record, watch some football, crack a brew, and let's see what happens. So freaking sick. Okay. This is how shiny I got it. Look at that. Looks incredible. And so I was able to get in here just a little bit, so you'll see just kind of shinier than up top. There it is right there. But you know what? I think it looks awesome. So I want to make this completely mine. I know it has my name on there. What's up? So I think I'm going to add some patterns in here somewhere. So to me, this looks like a beehive that's dripping with like gold honey or something. Just money dripping down. What? Look at that, man. That looks sick. Look at this shit. What's up? Look at that. You don't have a putter like that. What I do? What up? I think I might fade in some honeycombs or something, man. Kind of make it look a little Wu-Tangy, but look at that. Maybe like off to the angle like that. Just kind of fade them in. A little ghost them in. I wonder if that would work. Okay, here's what's left. I need to do the paint fill. I need to cut the shaft. I need to glue on the shaft, and then I need to do the what the fuck am I saying? I need to glue it all together, and then I need to put the grip on. That's what's up. I know someone in the comments can be like, it's too shiny. I know. That's why I shined it. What if the sun hits it? There'll be glares. Come on, man. But there'll be glares. All right, there it is. I wish you could see this in person. It's absolutely stunning. I've never seen anything like this before. It's incredible craftsmanship, man. Eric Wells and his pops, Scott, thanks for hooking me up, man. This is a really a thoughtful gift. I appreciate this. It's absolutely stunning. Really beautiful. All right. Thanks for watching me work, and I'll see you in the next one.